Man, I have bought some vegetable from the local market over there. So in this local market, everything is very cheap, very affordable for bachelor. Just in the concept, I have brought sweet potato, onion, and green chili, coriander leaf, and tomato. Because at this moment, just those type of vegetable need. That's why I just brought. Yeah, everything is here. I have brought all thing almost 100 taka. So how is this possible at this moment? You don't know. Okay, now I'm going to my house. It's a crazy thing, but yeah, people are sleeping. So okay, now I'll open our house lift. So man, okay, now I'm get on the lift, and now I'll go to my place. So I know in the morning time and this here, all vegetable is fresh vegetable. I love to eat. That fresh vegetable is very helpful for our body. Just it's okay. Keep enjoying this video and keep practicing your English by this way. Okay, man.